Contribution of Buddhism. Ahimsa is the main contribution of Buddhism, that is non-violence. Because of this non-violence, the area in which the Buddhism spread, the cattle population boosted heavily. Buddhism created awareness among the people. They learned the logic of thinking. They learned systematic, what you call the discussion and arriving the conclusions in delivering some of the problems and also solving the problems with a good judgment. Superstition was taken off by the Buddhism and promoted rationalism among the masses of the people. Pali literature, which was enormously increased at the time of Buddhism and which was used by the Buddhist writings, that is Buddhist sayings, and which has exposed the dhamma of the Buddhism in a specialized way to the masses. And Buddhist monasteries, which were happened to be there, they became the learning centers. And those learning centers have become into universities, and such universities of learning centers we can see at Nalanda and also at the place of Vikramasila in Bihar and Valabhi in Guntur and dhanyakataka. These are the famous universities at the time of great Buddhism. Jivika and Charaka are the greatest medical surgeons who happen to be the Buddhists, and the Nagarjuna, who wrote the many books and who propagated Mahayana, out of which the book of Suhrullekha and also Ratnavali, which is written in Sanskrit, became very famous. Dogmatism replaced by the faith by reason. The faith is in such a way that with reason they used to come and adopt the religion of the Buddhism. Women condition overall improved, especially the downtrodden condition also improved very well in the realm of Buddhism. In the field of art and architecture, what happened? The first, the statue of the Buddha came into existence, and later the stone pillars of the Gaya has been carved at that period. Sanchi Stupa and Barhat Stupa with Gandhara art of Buddhist images is famous, which is the contribution of Buddhism. Cave architecture in Barbara Hills of Gaya in western India, that is near Nasik, came into existence in the period of Buddhism. Art pieces of Amaravati and Nagarjunakonda are the Buddhist contributions. And Buddhist architecture mainly seen in three forms. One is the stupa, a domical structure in which the relics of the Buddha or famous monk of Buddhism was kept and preserved. And the second one is the chaitya, a temple or a shrine with a prayer hall. And the third one is vihara, which is the monastery or the famous residential place for the monks. King Ashoka has made a lot of stupas throughout India in the name of the Buddhism.